bonus reading for fire signs, January the 19th to the 20th. We have the Temperance, the Ace of Swords, and the Hierophant. So, sinasabi dito, maglalakas na kaya ako ng loob, no? Kasi parang I need really to move the connection, no, either into another level or parang kailangan na ring maging maayos kami if in case meron kaming away, no? Kasi with the Ace of Swords in here, what I just wanted is harmony. What I wanted is clarity. What I wanted is to put this connection into another level. No, para kasi with the Hierophant, sige, hindi na bale kung sino mag-uumpisa, kung sino yung magsisimula, kung sino ang mauuna. Gagawin ko na for the sake of para sa aming dalawa. So, nahihiya man or pwedeng sabihin natin kinakain siya ng kanyang konsensya, um, maglalakas loob ako na i-approach na, no, itong si fire signs para matapos na rin itong si Galot, no? So, this is your bonus reading fire signs for January the 19th to the 20th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.